Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. Here I use Office shapes to create art, as well I use Office shapes in presentations to make them professional. Today I'm going to show you how to make a technological landscape heat map. You could actually use this map for business or anything else. It's essentially three portions or three parts to it. There's the core, the optional, and let's just say the edge or margin. I'm going to delete this now and we're going to make it from scratch. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes, choose the circle or oval. Okay. Now that we have this, go into Shape Format, Shape Fill, Gradient, and choose the one that's got the center dark spot. You don't have to, but it saves time. Now right click, Format Shape, and for each one of these gradient stops, we're going to change the color. So for the middle, I'm going to use a gray. Let's take this one. And then this one's going to be a green. And then this one's going to be a sky blue. Okay. I'm going to create another gray. So then we can adjust it. It's going to be a green here. I'm going to add another green. That's perfect. Okay. And then here's our blue. So first I'm going to adjust the core of our heat map. And then I'm going to this one. I'm going to move it like, still going to have it blurry. And then let's put another blue here. Okay. And then a white. Okay. Here we go. Now I'm going to go into shape format, shape effects, add some shadow. Then I'm going to go into bevel, make it round. Okay. And then for the second icon here, we can see our bevel. I'm going to increase this to about 60. Of course, you can just type it in. But I'm just going to use the top arrow. And this, you can make it 10. You can change the different colors to get a little bit of shading. So with this one, I think if you change it to this one, you get a little bit of shading. And then there's this one underneath as well. Let's just see here. If I leave that one that color, make this one lighter, you can make it like that. So now that that's complete, and this could be anything. This could be, you can have your core skills, your courses you're taking, and then what the industry trends are. Insert shape, and so I'm just going to say, just say core. If it's technology, this core skills. I'm going to make this into Arial black. Make it 16 font size. Shape format. No fill. Shape outline, no outline. Okay. So you have your core skills. And of course, I'm just going to go here and make it center. I'm not a fan about the big space that they always put here. I don't know if there's much that can be done about it. Sometimes if you go here, go one, remove space after paragraph, that worked. So if you put this here, and I think for this, I would just change the color, make this white, tech trends, put that here. Tech knowledge map. This is more certain, and this is more optional type thing. You could probably say employee tech. And that's it. Thanks for watching.